What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to Mexico to do some draggy hits. I need to get a baseline number for this thing with the 308 gears so I can see what kind of difference it makes when I do the posi unit and the 411 gears. Getting ready to do that real soon, so wanted to get some baseline numbers. I'm going to show you the cruising RPMs. Also, this thing right now at 60 miles per hour, just cruising, gets 17.4 miles to the gallon. So it does pretty good on the highway now, but it really needs some more gear. So y'all get down in the comments, let me know what you think it's going to do in a quarter mile with the 308 gear on the draggy pull. Also, go ahead and guess, what do you think the cruising RPMs are at 65 miles an hour? Go ahead and put that in there now. And how much time do you think it'll pick up in the quarter mile with the posi unit and 14 gears? So if you hadn't yet, be sure and like and subscribe to this channel, and let's get into this Mexico run. We headed to try this draggy out and see how it does. As soon as I get this truck warmed up, ain't no cars coming, it'll make us a hit.
Thinking, need a light for the ideas. I'm in the splash zone with the brain waves. I shoot for stars up in my aim is straight. I lay in the sand line in the Palisades. I'm Alec Baldwin with the angry face. I'm Christian Bale with the black on black. Never trust these thoughts, I'd rather save the day. But if your man is a problem, then we can change the pace.
Alright, so we are on the streets of Mexico. Getting ready to make a draggy hit. There's a little bit of traffic today in Mexico. We'll wait for a good time and see what happens. It's about 97 or 98 degrees today, so it's not going to be optimal. But hey, we'll see what it does.
Howdy ho, neighbor!
Lord at the traffic. Mexico's never been this busy. There's a lot of traffic today. As soon as this traffic clears up, we'll ease out. See what it does. Lot of traffic. The truck ought to be warm when we get where we can go. Probably should have pulled on out right there. Oh well. Good Lord at the traffic. Mexico's never been this busy. Busy in Mexico today. Rush hour traffic in Mexico. I ain't gonna do a burnout, even though I do got dirt all over the tires. Hit, and we'll see what it does. It spun, so I couldn't just floor it off the line. This time maybe I will just floor it. I'm gonna try one more. Not sure how to go, but we'll see. Still smell rubber burning in Mexico. I'll clean the tires off a little this time. She's slow. She's slow. Now, the question is, how much time will a 411 gear and a posi make? Will it pick up a full second? Maybe a half a second? Who knows? Man, I hope I can get it in the 13s. God, I really need to get this thing in the 13s. That's slow. I couldn't get it to hook up. One wheel peel still. So I couldn't really floor it right off the line, so I had to get it rolling. Y'all seen the cruising RPMs? It cruises great. Mile per gallon. With the 308 gear, not cutting up, just running 60 miles an hour everywhere I go, this thing gets 17.4 miles to the gallon. So I need y'all to try to guess the miles per gallon. Is it going up or down at cruising speeds? Y'all put in the comments what you think it'll be. Quarter mile time. Also, put that in the comments. What kind of difference is it going to make? I want everybody to comment down below and tell me what you guess it's going to do in the quarter mile time. I'm going to be doing the gears in a couple of weeks, and then we'll do some more draggy hits and see what happens. I'm excited to see what it'll do. If I can't get this thing in the 13s with the gears, I'm putting 100 shot of nitrous on it. I got to get it in the 13s. Just tune back in on the next one. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all.